Good day, this is the Professor, Professor CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, November 14th, 2022. It's 6:56 and 22 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, childhood cancer. So let's hop to it here. Researchers pinpoint potential treatment for lethal childhood cancer, an enzyme that drives the code of an often lethal childhood brain cancer may hold the key to a future treatment. Date November 10, 2022. Source: McMaster University. Researchers discovered that by blocking the production of an enzyme called DHODH, they were able to halt the growth of MYC gene, amplified medulloblastoma, in mouse models, the most aggressive subtype of this cancer. Researchers said that while blocking DHODH stops the cancer spreading, healthy brain and nerve cells are spared, and this will avoid the after effects of current treatment, including radiotherapy and chemotherapy, which can impair children's brain development, even if their cancer is successfully treated. And this potential treatment pathway will allow us to kill the weeds, but save the flower of the developing brain. And this DHODH treatment target is full of promise, but it will take several years before we can reach the clinical trial stage. This potential new treatment, unlike current ones, will not be toxic to the developing brain. All types of medulloblastoma originate from neural stem cells in the cerebellum, the part of the brain that controls voluntary actions, such as walking, balance, coordination, and speech. The cerebellum develops fully after a child is born. The cancer starts when cell development in the cerebellum goes away. When studying the causes of this dysfunction can lead to new treatments. The common medulloblastoma symptoms include gait and balance difficulties, nausea, headaches, and swelling of the head. By the time children are diagnosed, the cancer has often spread throughout the brain and into their spinal fluid, especially if it is the MYC amplified subtype. Medulloblastoma is the most common pediatric brain cancer diagnosed in children, and brain tumors have recently overtaken leukemia as the most lethal childhood malignancy. Over the last 2 decades, we have made significant treatment advances in surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy, so the 5-year survival rate for medulloblastoma is now more than 70%. However, the roughly 30% of children whose cancer does not respond to currently available treatments have no other options. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.